Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Motorola Moto G82 smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is the fact that you can set your fingerprint as the unlock method on this device. In order to do that, you want to open up settings. At the settings, scroll down and locate the security category, and at the security category device security section, to be particular, just tap on the fingerprint. Here, if there is no backup unlock method set, it is required that you set one. In my case, I'll already have the pattern as my screen lock method or unlock method set. So I can skip the step and start actually enrolling the fingerprint. The scanner is located on the right side of your phone, right on the power button. So you can just go ahead and start enrolling your fingerprint by gradually laying and lifting it onto the fingerprint scanner. I'll lift my phone a little in order to make this process a bit more convenient. So lay and lift, make sure to slightly change the placing of your finger each time you lift it onto the sensor, onto the scanner, in order for the entire surface of your fingerprint to be scanned. So as you can see, I have successfully enrolled my fingerprint. Let's go ahead and test it out. So I'll lock my screen, lay my finger, and my phone gets successfully unlocked. Great success. So the second tip is also located right here at the security category of settings, right below the fingerprint, and called face unlock. Basically, it's the face recognition screen lock method. So let's go ahead and enroll it as well. We'll set it up by simply scanning our face by putting it inside the circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick. It will take significantly less time that the fingerprint enrollment did. So let's go ahead and test it out as well. As you can see, I'm locking my phone, aligning my face with the selfie camera, and my phone gets unlocked without any issues or hold-offs. Alrighty, so let's move to the next tip that we were to show you in this video, and it's actually the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate of this device. So in order to access this opportunity, you want to go to the display category of settings, and here simply look for the screen display refresh rate, to be exact. Here we have 3 values to choose from. We can either go with 60 Hz, get the longer and better battery life, battery health, but less smooth animations, or go with 120 Hz and get smooth animations and scrolling experience. So basically, if you want to aim for the battery, you want to go with smaller value, or if you have the sufficient amount of battery health left, you can just go ahead and crank the display refresh rate up to 120 Hz. There is also the third value that is called auto, and it will automatically adjust and switch between these two values in accordance with the current system condition in general and the battery health in particular. I like the 120 Hz to be set at all times, so I'll do just that. Alrighty, the next tip is called Peak Display, and it's always located at the display category of settings. So basically, Peak Display is better known. Its better known name is Always On Display. So let's go ahead and turn it on and go to its settings. Let me show what we just did by locking my screen. And if I'll tap on it, as you can see, this Always On or Peak Display appears, showing the current time, weather, date, day of the week, and the battery health as well. I'll unlock my phone. Here we can choose the clock design that we would like to go with. I'll switch it to this one, for example. We can choose whether the background of our Peak Display should be animated or not. I'll disable any animations just to save up some battery health. We can decide whether we want stop to wake function to be enabled. So once it is disabled, all that we gotta do in order for the Peak Display to appear is simply tap on it. Not at the Peak Display, obviously, just at the screen of our device. We can decide whether we want to hear the slight vibrations on each touch on our Peak Display, and block some apps in terms of their notifications will not be shown at it. Alrighty, so that was it for the Peak Display, and we are moving on to the last step, the 5th step. And it's basically the whole category of settings, or this whole separate, cool, very handy and useful app that is called Personalize and located right here. Let's open it. As you can see, it allows you to personalize almost every and each part of your interface, starting from app layout, fonts and colors, ending with display size, font size, and system theme. For example, I want to change the color scheme. Right now it's like light blue, tealish, I would say. I'll want to have it in green. Tap on the stick button, and as you will see now, once I'll launch the notification and control panel, the color scheme that I have just set has been successfully applied. Or you can like choose some other font like this one, and that will mean that all system stuff will be in this font that we have just set. The icon shape can be also configured and changed. So for example, I like this one and I'll apply it as well. And if I'll get myself to somewhere where the app icons are, I'll see that the shape has been successfully changed. And other beautiful stuff that I would highly recommend that you try playing with yourself in order to make your system, the interface of the system on your Motorola phone, to be as personalized and as customized as it gets. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.